Welcome back. North Goa SP Priyanka Kashyap has been transferred as SP of Special Branch, State Police Control Room and ATS. SP Umesh Gankar has been replaced as the North Goa SP. This transfer move has come in wake of dance bars, drugs and prostitution issue in Kalangut belt. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo had informed IGP Sunil Garg that some senior police officials have links with the racket. SP Priyanka Kashyap has been transferred. Umesh Gaonkar is the new North Goa SP. Priyanka Kashyap has been transferred as SP of Special Branch, Police Control Room and ATS. Earlier, Umesh Gaonkar was holding the charge of Special Branch and Police Control Room along with ATS. Prudent spoke to Michael Lobo on the transfer issue. He hinted that he had complained against the senior police officials from North Goa in dance bar nexus case.
Today, North Goa SP was transfer Priyanka Kashyap. तुम्ही begin अशी complain केली against her, Priyanka Kashyap.
I had told that higher level police officers, I had not named anybody, but higher level police officers are involved in a lot of activities happening in the coastal belt, where they allowed certain illegalities to continue. The PI is telling me higher level officers are not allowing him to raid. All these things I had told fearlessly to the higher ups and to the chief ministers.
Specific कोणाचे नाव घेऊन असले police officeraचे
ना आम्ही कोणाचेच नाव तसे घेईना. समझने वाले को इशारा काफी है म्हणून एक हिंदीन मुंड्या.
Prudent spoke to the new SP of North Goa, Umesh Gaonkar. This is what he had to say.
We have new SP of North Goa district, Umesh Gaonkar with us. Sir, you have served as DYSP in North Goa district earlier. How new job as SP you are looking forward?
Now my responsibility as a district SP has increased in many fold. When I was working as a SDPO Porvory, it was for only a small subdivision. But now I have got more police station, more subdivisions, and law and order and other things automatically I have to deal with. So my responsibility has increased.
If we talk about North Goa district, not it only comes the capital city of Panjim, but other coastal areas are highly sensitive in terms of the allegation of drugs trade and other illegalities. How you are going to tackle it?
From tourism point of view, the coastal belt is more prone for too many activities. The drug is there, the loud music is there, and all you can say the activities related to the tourism, for which we have different agencies to deal with. On beaches, we have got a tourist police, local police is there, coastal security is there. So we'll cope up with that.
When you are taking the charge as SP, Kalangut police coming under a scanner for the misbehaving, job negligence. These are the another challenge I see in front of you.
On a coastal belt in north, challenges are always there. In Kalangut, so many incidents are reported. That's why they are under the scanner. But we also have to see the other side. What is the strategy of police? How police are dealing with it? And where it went wrong? Challenges are of course there, but we have to correct if there is something wrong. And we have to go ahead.
Bureau Report, Prudent. Meanwhile, some organizations demanding reservation for scheduled caste in both North and South Goa district Zilla Panchayats have filed petition before the High Court. Petitioners have pleaded to stay the ZP election till final disposal of the petition. The High Court has issued notices to the state government and the State Election Commission.
अखिल गोमंतक संत रोहिदास समाज, अखिल गोमंतक मांग हितवर्धन मंडल, Gomantak Mehtar Samaj and Sakaram Vishram Kurgaonkar have knocked the door of the High Court demanding reservation for scheduled caste in Zilla Panchayat election. Petitioners have contended that one seat should be reserved for scheduled caste in both North and South Goa district Zilla Panchayats each. The petitioners have also contended that they have made a representation before the government seeking reservation for SC, but government ignored their demands. Petitioners pleaded to the High Court to stay election till final disposal of the petition.
That petition came up for hearing today, and the High Court has issued notice to the respondents, and the matter is fixed for hearing on coming Monday.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
A candlelight procession has been organized in Margao on Saturday. The procession is against the atrocities against Christians across India. Father Emido said people should have the freedom to choose their religion. The march will also protest against the anti-conversion law. Meanwhile, a tourist vehicle was damaged at St. Francis Xavier Church in Keri, Thirakol. The vehicle was parked in the premises of the church.
सरकार घडून आयला तेन्ना सर हे नव्या सरकारान तेन्ना निषेध मारूंक ना सीसीटीव्हीचेर देखल्यात कोणे इगोर्जो फोडल्यात आनी मोडल्यात त्यो पूण तांकांय कांयच एक्शन घेवंक ना ताचेर आमी आमचो उलो करता ह्या एंटी कन्वर्शन बिलाचेर आड उलो करता.
Meanwhile, a vehicle was damaged at St. Francis Xavier Church in Keri. The vehicle was parked in the premises of the church. A complaint has been filed at the Arambol outpost.
थिंगा बिचार आमी रावता थिंगा आमचे मातशे टेव जाल्ले अशी ताका हांवें थापट मारले तेचेर तेणी म्हाका गाळी सोडली म्हणून आनी तो रातीक म्हाका दिसता येवन म्हजे गाडयेचेर तेणीच मारला आसता तेचें नांव जावन मिनानाथ मोरजकर तेणीच फोडला म्हणून म्हाका डावट आसा असो.
Meanwhile, a solidarity march was organized by some churches in North Goa over the atrocities against Christians across India.
Rejmag, Saligaon and Sikeri. So all the people have come walking from all these places to take part and show their solidarity to all our Christian brothers and sisters who are suffering.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.